Hi everyone, I'm going to reveal the Cricut Mirrorball Joy Mystery Box. It includes a brand new Cricut Cutie in a color called Limeade. It's adorable. As always, purchase and discount info is right below this video in the description. I thank you now for using my affiliate links. If you do, I will earn a small commission, but never at any extra cost to you. And here's the cutie. Isn't it gorgeous? It might look a bit bright yellow in this video, so I've added a photo here on the side so you can see closer to the actual color. It's really adorable, and it's a brand new color. We've never had it before. So if you collect these cuties, don't miss this one. Adorable. So let's see what else is included. We have Cricut Smart Iron-On for Joy Nature Walk Basic. You have 3 sheets, 5.5 by 12. You can use them with Explore and Maker just by putting them on a mat, or even the extra, you could put them on a mat to use them. You have 3 different patterns. Super nice. Then we have another Smart Iron-On in Bloom Pink. You have 3 patterns again, each one 5.5 by 12 inch. So there's a second pattern. We have Smart Iron-On 5.5 by 24 in Carrot. We have Smart Iron-On 5.5 by 19 in Aqua Glitter. I don't think you can see glitter on this video, but it's Aqua Glitter. We have Smart Vinyl Permanent 5.5 by 48 inch in Gold Thread. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We have 5.5 by 48 Smart Vinyl Permanent in Party Pink Crystals. Can you see that pattern? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. We have Smart Vinyl Permanent 5.5 by 48 inch in Light Pink. We have Smart Vinyl Permanent 5.5 by 48 in Gold. We have Smart Vinyl Permanent 5.5 by 10 feet in Silver. And we have Smart Vinyl Removable Vinyl 5.5 by 10 feet in Vivid Blue. Gorgeous. And last but not least, we have paper dissolvable labels, smart labels, 5.5 by 3 feet. These are white dissolvable paper. Terrific product. This is the Mirrorball Joy Mystery Box. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I know I will. Don't hesitate if you want this cutie for your collection. I'm sure it's going to go super fast. As I mentioned in the beginning, purchase and discount info is in the description right under this video. Just take a look below. Thank you for watching.